To reset printer to the factory defaults, go to the HP app. Go to the HP app and scroll down. Look for the printer settings and select view all. In the view all, look for the advanced settings. Take you to the HP website. Look for the settings option, restore defaults, and then click on the restore factory defaults. It will ask you to enter the printer pin. Open these doors. Printer pin is just written there, so it's different for each printer. Just type in the pin number. These are all the digits and click submit. To reset to the factory defaults, click here and confirm it. So this will take few minutes. The printer will restart and it will be reset to the factory defaults. Thanks for watching.